prefabricated homes. We have seen them in many different kind of outdoor spaces.
The UK market is obviously very expensive, and we build high-rise buildings.
My first impression in this hall is that everything is really good quality.
Every time you come, you see a product, it's really very innovative.
There's a lot of people in New Zealand talking about it and told us that you need to come here to see all the new ideas in the building industry.
It works with a remote control, but what got my attention is the unusual shape. Welcome one more time to Guangzhou. This amazing metropolis welcomed thousands of visitors from all around the world to the 139th edition of the Canton Fair. This time we're going to explore some of the most innovative products when it comes to home furnishing. In China, all this furniture is focusing on the smart features that makes our lives more convenient. So let's go and explore what options we can find in the Canton Fair today.
The Canton Fair brings together over 30,000 exhibitors and buyers from more than 200 countries and regions. And this year's edition feels especially dynamic, more future-focused than ever, with standout products, technologies, and ideas all centered around what the home of the future could look like.
It says design inspires the future, and it's simply because all these products that you can find here in China, no matter what the area, no matter what is the industry, they're going to be innovative. They're incorporating so many sort of technology, but not just that. The ratio between quality and price is just the best. So I'm not really surprised to see why so many people want to come here to source their products.
China's been sourced for quality for a while. My first impression in this hall is that everything is really good quality.
Every time you come, you see a product, it's really very innovative. They create things out of nowhere. You can't imagine even.
People come looking for innovation and new trends, like smart toilets. We've all heard about them. But now they're taking center stage at the Canton Fair, with features like automatic cleaning and adjustable water temperature control. They show how design and functionality are being integrated in everyday products.
This is a sample of what I was telling you about before when it comes to design and innovation. It's a very cool toilet that has a lot of technology embedded on it. Actually, it works with a remote control, but what got my attention is the unusual shape of it. Because when it comes to design, this is one of the companies that is trying to offer to the market something very unique and of course full of technology.
I also found these prefabricated homes. Those capsule-style pods that feel like a glimpse into the future of how people might live.
Prefabricated homes, we have seen them in many different kind of outdoor spaces like parks. And here at the Canton Fair, we have some of the best manufacturers of this new sort of trend. Behind me, for example, we can see what have served many companies as a hotel room. It's very interesting because they're all prefabricated sort of pots. They can be easily transported to different places, and they just put it in the place. You connect the different services like electricity and water, and you already have a very either nice home or just a hotel room. The best part is the quality of the materials they're using, because of course they're light enough and strong enough at the same time to be transported easily, but also to face different kind of outdoor conditions. The second thing is how easy they are to be transported to different places. They come in different form factors, they come in different shapes, also different materials depending on your needs. You can simply talk to the person in charge and you can explain your requirements, and they can offer you the different options to customize these sort of prefabricated pots.
Instead of building everything on site over months, these homes are made in factories and then assembled quickly wherever you need them. That alone saves a huge amount of time and cost.
So what you can see here is basically a space or a room big enough to accommodate either a big table for dining or also could be a big bed. You have these huge glass panels, but also you have like a small balcony that you can go outside and have access to great views.
This is exactly the kind of technology and innovative products that people travel to the Canton Fair for, where they can see firsthand new ideas, smart design, and advanced manufacturing.
I think China's got a lot of innovative products that the UK is falling behind on so far. I literally source every product from the ground up. Yes, millions.
It is my first time at the Canton Fair. There's a lot of people in New Zealand talking about it and told us that you need to come here to see all the new ideas in the building industry.
China is becoming more and more attractive for sourcing construction materials, interior design, and decoration products. For what I've seen, there is an interesting combination of price and quality. Buyers are finding competitive pricing while still meeting higher standards.
We have a lot of sanitary fixtures, mixers, all the things related to this is important for us. Also building materials is related to our work.
Definitely the aluminium for houses. I got some clever stuff over there with sliding, and then the zero entry, just seeing how it works, and probably we don't have it back at home, to be honest.
It's just incredible to see the number of products and technologies that you can find here at the Canton Fair. But not just that, we're seeing so many people from so many nationalities coming to this very point in China just to source a product. And it's simply for one reason. The quality of Chinese products are increasingly improving in the last few years. So of course, the whole world is looking at China to provide those products.
When you come to Canton Fair, you have like a vision like a drone.
Yeah.
You can see everywhere, all the technologies coming through in the field trip. We can see like many different kinds of products here. Like a sofa is nice, here the chairs or offices is nice too.
I was checking the list of the exhibitors in just this hall behind me, and it's a huge list. Hundreds of them are just right here. But actually that's a very good thing, because that means the offer is huge. The number of products, the variety of technologies, and the amount of innovation is just amazing.
Another huge reason buyers keep coming to the Canton Fair and to sourcing from China in general is the sheer variety of products and suppliers all in one place.
Probably been here 4 times before, mostly to get new ideas and to see if there's better suppliers for what we already do.
But when coming to the Canton Fair, one day is certainly not enough.
Sort of trying to loop around today, see everything, and then we'll go back and talk a bit more with the people that that we're really attracted to over the next few days.
Sometimes they're not just looking for new products, they're also trying to expand their network of suppliers.
We came here this year to check a variety of things. Maybe we can widen our sources from here. All the innovations here is booming up, so every time you see new things.
Another great example is the smart mattress, which is also going way beyond just comfort. This can track your sleep patterns, control the temperature during the night, and even connect to apps to give you data about how well you're sleeping.
Here you can also find smart mattresses that you can control with a remote controller and set up different features like massage. That is something we're going to see in the home of the future, and you can find here at the Canton Fair.
But it's not just variety and innovation that drives visitors. The other key factor is pricing, and here it really matters a lot.
All price here is very good. They have a product with technology. This is like a combo, that's why they are growing.
UK market is obviously very expensive, and we build high-rise buildings, so we need high volume.
The prices that we're getting, probably well under half delivered to New Zealand and what we would pay in New Zealand.
I asked visitors why they keep coming back to the Canton Fair year after year to source their product from China.
We already use the Chinese market. Advanced technology, they do things so innovatively.
Even China as a total, it's just another world, it's another planet. It's really good to be here and check all the things.
I think now China is more than like factor of the world. Now they have like more technology than Germany and Japan.
Huge difference. You've got scale, you've got technology, and I think the quality's coming up. So yeah, I think it's going to be huge. What I've seen, it's going to take over the world basically.
The kind of technology that you can find here in China, and all these companies are developing to send to different parts of the world. The quality, the shape, and the innovation they bring to the market is really nice.
What really stands out is that it's not just about innovation, but also about scale and accessibility. You've got thousands of exhibitors, millions of products, and that's exactly why people keep coming back.
Many like a big businessmen from Brazil are here too. I have clients, they've been more than 50 countries, like 50 countries, and when they come to China and Canton Fair, they back to Brazil and they say, the best trip ever.